Remember to join us tonight for Sunday Night Lime at 8 p.m. right after the Bartender uploads.
Miranda, you really make for meeting in public? You're brave.
Syva, the best place for hide is in plain sight. I'm going to talk business.
Alright. Miranda, here we go. The 21 link did seal up.
Did? What do you mean by did?
Right now, over there is a chaotic. The link over there drop out.
The done?
Yeah.
Well, me need it to stabilize it. I have a shipment coming soon and I can't have no loose ends.
Miranda, I watch the news. A beer war over there.
So, Syva, oh, you tell me say you have a link. And now, what is?
You look like him and some man have some beef over 13 and 14 and then come for him.
Apart from the done, any of them youth there over there know you?
Yeah man, I one youth. I look a DJ youth.
Syva, what me send you over there for go do? Make friend or get a link? Oh, you and this DJ, oh friend, what friend I go?
Him me have to use, forget it done. We couldn't just go over there so.
So you know what to do then? Right hand, brother, cousin?
I ain't cousin. I saw me get the link.
See if I may explain something to you. You see that shipment there? You tell me say we have a warehouse. You tell me say we have a link. You tell me say the shipment I go reach at the warehouse and everything opposite, right? I know you tell me say the link gone. So which part that shipment there go now? I don't want this turn out like the last time, you know. I remember 50 gun. Them sees 50 gun.
But that not for do with me. I did because I agreed.
So where the shipment I go now? Syva, me not think I understand the word them where I come out of your mouth, you know. You can talk louder for me, please?
Ewa, I'm going to link back in cousin and see if I have a link to this warehouse. I will know where about.
If is not a word that I want to hear in this equation right now. Contrary to popular belief, me don't want them going here reaching at the streets of Jamaica, you know. I pass them just for pass through. Comprende?
See, you talk to Daily about that? Remember say it come to election time. I hate him want to go in them for.
Let me tell you something about Daily. Daily is...
Bossy, trouble?
No, I can't anger. I need to get to the head of the South American agency. Him not only a traffic weapons, you know. Him also a traffic human beings. Syva, we need it to secure the link here. The weapons them are forward and we need somewhere to put them with all urgency.
Alright, I'm going to deal with that. But I also give me 3 days for me wait till over this cool off.
You have 2.
Alright.
Hello?
Agent B, I see you've been trying to get me. If you're trying to trace this call, I must advise you against that because that's just not gonna happen.
Felicia Isabella Santana Torres. You wouldn't want to tell me where you are.
I see you figured it out. Well, look around. I might be right beside you.
So all this time, you were a part of the weapons dealing in Jamaica, and you played the victim.
All wrong, Agent B. Just like you, I don't want these guns to be on the streets of Jamaica. Jamaica is just a hub for these weapons to pass through, not to stay here.
And that's your justification? An agent who is a weapons dealer?
There's so much you don't know, Agent B. But maybe one day we can have a spot of tea and talk about it.
Listen, you had your time to talk when you was in the holding area. But you feed me some stories just because you want to leave.
Angie, how much do you know about the agency that you're a part of? And how much do you trust them?
You know what you sound like? Minister Daly, the politician who they are trying to take you down. Is that what you're trying to do, Miranda? Or are you associated with Minister Daly?
Why would you ask that?
Because your cousin was.